Today's lesson, we're going to be bringing all of our skills together and answering some GCSE questions when they ask you to leave your answer in a certain form. So I've got a worked example to show you what I mean by that. So express 5 root 27 in the form n root 3, where n is a positive integer. So with this question, you just need to simplify it as far as possible. It should end up in this form where n is an integer. Integer just means a number. So if I'm simplifying this, two numbers that times together to make 27, one of them which is a square number, so we get root 9 times root 3. So this becomes 5 times 3 times root 3, so I get 15 root 3. Nice and easy. That is in the form n root 3, where n is an integer. Okay, the next example I have for you is write root 5 minus root 5 squared in the form a plus b root 5, where a and b are integers. Now some people get put off by all of this. Don't, okay? Just do the question and it will naturally end up in this form. I'll show you what we mean. So, draw out your grid. You know that means times by itself, which makes it quadratic. So I get 5 minus root 5, 5 minus root 5. So 5 times 5 is 25, minus 5 root 5, minus 5 root 5, minus times a minus is a plus, root 5 times root 5 is 5. So write them out, 25 minus 5 root 5, minus 5 root 5, add 5. So you can add your integers together. So I get 25 add 5 is 30, minus 5 root 5, take away another 5 root 5, leaves me with minus 10 root 5. And that's your answer. That's in the form a minus b root 5. Now just be careful, because some questions will actually ask you what is the value of a, what is the value of b. Some of you will just ask you to show that it can be written in that form. So check the question carefully. The answer line will normally be clear what they want in case you had forgotten. So what I need you to do now is download the sheet with the GCSE questions on, work through them, and then mark them. So you've got two options to mark them. You've got the actual GCSE mark scheme, so you can see where the marks are actually allocated. And I've also done some working out for you. So if you are stuck on a question, you can maybe use my working out to help you, or use it as a hint, and then hopefully you can work through the whole thing and get all of the marks. Once you've finished that worksheet, you need to download the exit ticket, show you working out, take a photo of it and send it to your teacher.